Welcome to our channel Global HSC Chain. Let's make the safe and healthy world together. Today our video topic is NIBOSH exam questions and answers. दोस्तों आज का हमारा वीडियो का टॉपिक है निबोश एग्जाम्स के क्वेश्चन और आंसर्स. Identify 4 health effects of working outside in extreme heat created by the sun. Friends, there are 6 factors, so you can choose only 4 health effects from this list. दोस्तों इसमें से 4 हेल्थ इफ़ेक्ट्स आपने बताने हैं जो कि नीचे दिए गए हैं. 6 हेल्थ इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं, इसमें से 4 आपको बताने हैं. Outline control measures that could be used to reduce the effects of the sun on construction workers. Outline the control measures that is given below. Outline prevention strategies an organization could consider to reduce the risk of violence towards workers. You should give the answer from this below list. A large office is open to the public for inquiries, and the risk assessment has shown a significant risk of violence to workers from visitors. Outline measures that the employer could take reduce the risk. That is the continuation answer of the last page. Identify welfare and work environment requirements that should be provided in a workplace. So you should give the answer below and identify and give the answer. A 3-meter deep trench has to be dug across a car park. Identify hazards associated with the work. You should give the answer from below list. What are the hazards? Identify the hazards. A 3-meter deep trench has to be dug across a car park. Outline control measures that could be implemented to reduce the risk. So you should give the answer below. What are the control measures? So outline this. Control measures that can be taken when carrying out excavations. So please you should tell the answers below list. What are the control measures? Identify precautions necessary to prevent injury when working in and around excavations. So you should give the answer from below list and identify the precautions. That is the continuation answer from the last page. List the control measures when working at height. So you should give answer from this below list. Repair work is to be carried out on the roof of a school. Identify 2 control measures to reduce the risk to other people. You should give answer only you can identify 2 control measures. Give the meaning of the term ergonomics. Identify possible health effects that may be caused by the poor ergonomic design of display screen equipment workstation. So you should give the answer from below list. Identify the main factors to be considered in an ergonomic assessment of a display screen equipment workstation. So you should give answer from the below list. Identify precautions that would need to be considered before welding work can commence. So you should give answer from the below list. Identify ways in which accidents may be prevented when using ladders as a means of access. So you should give answer from the below list. Outline the main hazards that may be present during the demolition of a building. So you should outline the answers given below. Identify four hazards that can cause trips or slips. And another question is identify control measures that can be used to reduce the risk of slips and trips. So you should give answer below from below. Identify the control measures to prevent slip and trip hazards in an engineering workshop. So you should give answer. You can give answer from below list. Identify the control measures that should be considered and prevent accidents to children who may be tempted to gain access to a construction site. So you can give answer from below list. Identify 8 safe working practices that should be considered to reduce the risk when using a mobile tower scaffold. So you can give answer from the below list and the remaining answer on the another page, next page. That is the remaining answers from last page. Identify the control measures that could be implemented to reduce the risk to pedestrians in areas where vehicles are maneuvering. So you can give answer from this list. Battery powered forklift trucks are used to move palletized goods within a warehouse. Describe four hazards associated specifically with battery powered forklift trucks and identify the precautions in each cases. So you should give the answer from below list. There are hazards and there are precautions.